Today I'm going to be showing you how to take backups of your WordPress website. For starters, we're going to log in to the back end of our website by putting in the domain name and then /wp-admin. And then once you've logged in, we're going to go down on the left hand side and find plugins and then add new. Alright, now that that's here, we're going to click on search plugins and then we're just going to type in backup. And then hit enter or just wait. And then for today's video, I'm just going to use UpDraft Plus, but you can use any one you want. So once you've found the one you want, you just click install and then wait till it's installed. Alright, once the plugin is installed, you're going to click on activate and that'll activate your backups. But it's not finished setting everything up yet, that's just activated the actual plugin. So now we're going to click here to start, and that'll take us to your settings, and depending on the plugin, it should have a settings tab where we were just before. So before you press backup, we've got to set where we want it to go. So we're going to go to settings. First, we're going to set it to automatic if you want it to be automatic. I'm going to set it to every month and twice every month. So as you can see here. And then I'm going to scroll down, and you can do it to the UpDraft Vault, but I think you need to pay for that. So I'm going to go to Google Drive, and then you'll see if you scroll down, just leave all these settings and you can customize them yourself if you want, but it does a good job on doing them by the default. And then if you scroll down and click on Save Changes, and it'll come up with that, and then it'll pop up with this little notification saying you've got to authorize your Google Drive. So you just click on this link, okay, and this link will take you to a sign-in page. And I'm going to sign in with this email account from Google. And then I'm going to click on allow. And then once you've clicked on that, it'll take you back to your website. And then you click on complete setup. Now you have backups set up to be scheduled twice every month. And then every time you want to back up your website, you scroll down on the left and you click on UpDraft Plus Backups, or whatever your plugin's called, and then hit backup now, and then click on backup now, and then it'll pop up with this, and you simply click on Google Drive and then backup now again, and it'll show you the progress of your backup through the plugin.